Palakpak. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant and grace-filled morning to each and every one of us. To our very supportive and very able district focal person, Dr. Joel Piltin, our dynamic, supportive, energetic, and jolly teacher in charge, Mrs. Mary Ruth Ascudillo. Our very active barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Charles Tocadano, Federated PTA officers headed by Mrs. Clara Tadio, fellow members of the faculty and staff, elder-loving parents, graduates, completers, and other visitors. A wonderful morning filled with God's blessing. It is indeed a great privilege and distinct honor to introduce to you our esteemed guest of honor and speaker for today's event. I feel elated to introduce her on this momentous event that must be noted. A woman of virtue and simplicity. She is also a living inspiration to all of us. Her name echoes the essence of service, dedication, and compassion. We are so lucky for her confidence to say yes agad-agad for today's event. Our guest of honor and speaker is a native of Barangay Bulanos, Narvacan, Ilocos Sur, born on April 6, 1973. She is the only daughter of Mr. Virgilio Cabarloc Sr. and Mrs. Los Biminda Cabarloc. Married to his loving husband, Mr. Randy Galema, of Barangay Ambugat, Burgos, Ilocos Sur. Blessed with 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls, namely James Darrell, graduated 4 years of automotive course, presently working as industrial engineering maintenance at Clash Hub, San Ildefonso, Ilocos Sur. Jessa Mindea also graduated 4 years of information technology and works abroad. Jasmine Dayan graduated 4 years of information system, working as branch manager of RD Phone Shop at Narvacan branch. Lastly, Jermaine Deos, a licensed civil engineer. She also have a grandchild named Zia Diana Ray. Our guest speaker is a proud alumna in this school, Bulanos Primary School. Graduated as salutatorian and continued her intermediate grades at Turod Elementary School as honored student. Her secondary in the year 1985 to 1989 at Narvacan National Central High School. He pursues her college education in the University of Baguio and graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Arts major in English in the year 1993 and also passed her civil service examination in 1992. Regards to her work experiences, she is an extra person with extraordinary talents, qualities, and passion to the work. After college, she worked as branch secretary of Trusteeship Insurance Company of Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur for almost 3 years. Served as barangay treasurer for almost 9 years at Ambugat, Burgos, Ilocos Sur, and elected as Federated President of Association of Barangay Treasurers of Burgos, Ilocos Sur for 7 years. Wherein awarded as Outstanding Barangay Treasurer at Kanawidan Festival 2019 held at Bigan City. She applied as non-uniformed personnel of the Philippine National Police and luckily hired as Administrative Assistant 1 under the permanent status. Assumed her duties and responsibilities at Burgos Municipal Police Station, Police Provincial Office, PRO1 up to present. Mind you, friends, she did not stop dreaming because she believes that to pursue an education is an important weapon to become efficient and effective public servant. May we acknowledge the presence of our district focal person, Dr. Joel Pilutin, and Dr. Dexter C. Goyo, a head teacher of Carpari Elementary School. Good morning, sir. And also, Dr. Lani Molina of Narvacan North Central School and Mrs. Geraldine Ramos of Akib Elementary School. Good morning, Mom. Mind you, my friends, she did not stop dreaming because she believes that to pursue an education is an important weapon to become efficient and effective public servant. And now, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, I feel very proud to present to you our guest of honor speaker. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to our guest of honor speaker, Mrs. Ligaya Cabarloc Galema. Ma'am. We are very much honored